Yeah, hi, I'm Sandeep Ghosh. Today I'll be demonstrating the FreeBSD Linux installation, basic installation and configuration process. Let's begin. Select File, New, Virtual Machine and select typical recommended option. Select I will install the operating system later. Continue. Next select the other and select the FreeBSD 64-bit. Click Next and change it to version 15 as I'll be installing the 15 version and location will be E drive. Okay, click next. 20 GB disk space will be allocated and it will be stored in a single file. Click next, customize the hardware. I'll be allocating 8 GB disk space and 2 core processor, and I'll be giving the location for the ISO image that will be ISO dump FreeBSD 15.1 release. Open and close this one and finish to configure the basic profile configuration for the same. Let's start power on this virtual machine. Yeah, select one option. It will start installing. It will load the installation process to the memory. Ready to continue. Select basic option and here it is giving for the keyboard layout that is US default. Click and press enter to continue and give the host name VSD 15 and enter to continue. Basic packages will be installed. Take preview, enter to continue. Network, enter because we do have the network and it is selected default VMware workstation provided NIC card. Press enter with the auto option. It is acquiring the this IP address using the DHCP. It has got the IP address. Okay, and by default it selects GFS file system. UFS is the older one. Let's continue with the GFS. Enter to continue. Probing the devices. This must devices it has detected, and it will continue with the installation process. Enter to select, and we have no additional disk allocated to this operating system. That's why it is showing no redundancy. By default, option selected. Enter to continue, and we are selecting the disk by pressing the space bar. Enter to OK, and it is giving the warning message. If we'll continue with yes, then all the data present in the disk will be removed. Yes, continue. Yeah, minimal package installation. Yes, I'm not going to install any extra packages. Press enter to continue with the same. And right now it has started fetching the updated package from the internet. And once it will fetch all the packages, required packages for the installation, it will extract and carry out the installation. Till that time, I'm pausing the system. Yeah, uh, it has already completed fetching the packages. Now it is extracting those and carrying out the installation. Let it to continue. Less number of packages, and those are very lightweight, so installation is very fast. And here will not be getting any graphical interface. I'm giving the root password. Press enter to OK. And here you can select the time zone as per your local. I'm selecting with the 0, that is UTC. Press enter to OK. Uh, it is confirming. Yes, I'm not updating any time. It has all selected by default. Skip, enter to skip, and any other packages, extra packages that you would like to install, you can install by selecting spacebar. Here I'm not going to select any packages, so I have removed those packages selected NTPD using spacebar. Press enter to OK. And any hardening uh, s- uh, to be carried out on this OS, you can select as for the uh, company policies and the compliance requirement. Press enter to OK. I'm not selecting any of this. No firmware to install. As it is running on VMware, it will not be installing any firmware. Would you like to add user? Yes, definitely. And I'll be adding the username. There is admin and full name admin. URD default. Login group admin. Okay, admin. A cell. There is default cell. sh. Directory will be home directory. All the profile will be created. That is /home/admin. And directory permission. I am not going to encrypt the GFS, so no. Use the best authentication, yes. Use empty password, no. Use random password, no. Enter the password that you would like to assign. Is asking log out the account after creating, no. Okay, it has given the details I have configured so far. Enter to proceed. Add user successfully added admin to the database. Add another user, no. Okay, finish to complete. Yes, the installation is now finished. Before exiting the installer, would you like to open a cell in the new system to make any final manual modification? No. Reboot, enter. It will reboot the system and load the operating system. Now the operating system will be loaded. Let the countdown to be completed. Here you will not get any graphical interface. Basically, FreeBSD is used for the specific appliances for the specific purpose and security reason. Okay, it is giving the network details. Okay, now I'll be putting the username as admin and password that I have given. Okay, I got the cell prompt, clear df-th, basic commands to get the details. It has created JFS file system and the mount points, those are being created. And here it is giving the details. And time you can check, date and time, and uptime of the system, and uname minus a, what's the kernel version. Okay, and tab command to see the system resource utilization. That's all. And to shut down the system, uh, we have to move to the root and we need to carry out the shutdown of the system. Let's move to the root account. Control D to log out and use the root and give the password. And I need 0 to shut down the system. That's all for today's video. Thanks for joining me. Have a great time ahead.